Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you about our reports module. So which kind of report we do have and how you can go ahead and check the sales report. So first of all, you need to go in reports module, click on browse module on your left hand side and then click on reports and intelligence. Once we will come in the report, please check on your left hand side there are multiple segments provided: sales, purchase, product, services, store, quality, dispatch and other reports. So we will talk about the sales report as of now. So in sales we have provided few of the report like order confirmation, sales order register report. It contains all the data of your order confirmation which is created. Sales invoice register, sales inquiry and quotation register, credit note register and sales transaction tag. So as you can see that in each and every report there are two types. One is the sales order register, second is the sales order register item wise. So what is the difference? So item wise contain all the items, whereas sales order register will provide you only the report as per the OC number. And in item wise report, the item will come. Same happens in the sales invoice register as well. So how you can go ahead and generate the report? Click on generate report. After clicking on generate report, please check. Here are few of the filters provided. So creation date of document, from to you can select, delivery date from to you can select, as because once you will go ahead and create the document, it asks for the delivery date and you need to select it. Now coming to the next, the company name, you can check the report as per the company wise as well. Here you can simply just select for any company and then after can generate the report. Stores, currency, transaction time, item type, good, service, all. You can check the report of service confirmation, sales service document as well by selecting this particular filter. Invoicing status, is it overdue, pending, completed, all you can select as per the requirement. Document status, all sent, all draft, cancelled. After that I will go ahead and generate the report. Once I click on generate report, please check. Now the report will only be displayed of Brilliant Engineering Private Limited. You can very well go ahead and select the columns which you want to see and accordingly can go ahead and download the report as well by clicking on the download option on your right hand side. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the sales report. Have a good day ahead.